Are you an entrepreneur or small business owner? Do you want to build a financial budget but don't know where to start? Do you want to impress potential investors from the start with your business model? Do you want to set realistic expectations financially for your business? Do you want to get a head start with my investor quality financial model template? If you answered yes to any of the above, look no further. This is the course for you. Welcome to the course Build a Financial Forecast Budget Model in Excel. My name is Chris Benjamin and I'll be your instructor in this course. I'm a professional accounting and finance expert. I currently work as a Chief Financial Officer, or CFO, and as well I've been an online instructor since 2013. About the course, what you and I learn together. As an entrepreneur, you will have many uses for a budget financial model. If you are looking for investors, one of the first things investors will ask for is your projections. As well, for your own peace of mind, don't you want to be able to forecast forward and see how the business will perform given a set of assumptions? All of this can be accomplished with a solid financial model. Learn how to use Microsoft Excel to build your very own forecast budget. Let me teach you how to wow investors or impress your boss with a financial model budget that stand out above everyone else. By the end of this course, you will have a financial model that is detailed, complete, rock solid, and follows all of the best business practices for financial modeling. What specifically you and I will do in this course? This course will be taught primarily by following along in Excel as we build a financial model for a fictional company. We will start with a completely blank Excel workbook, and by the end of the course have a fully functioning financial model. The time of the course in video content is 5.5 hours, although expect to invest 10 to 20 hours taking this course. In that time we will build a basic financial model which is fully functioning. The additional time is so you can work on your own financial model in between the lectures. The course is structured in a very step-by-step methodology. As we work through each section, we'll progress towards the final financial model. I encourage all entrepreneurs and financially minded people alike to take the course. The best part? At the end, I provide the model we build in Excel during the course for download. Get a head start using a pre-populated financial model that you saw built in the course. If at any point during the course if you are confused or need clarification, send me a message. I'm here to help you, the student, and I love interacting with you. I've been in the business world for over 20 years, and can most likely answer your question. You've come to the right place to learn. I'm excited to start this journey with you. I look forward to seeing you in class. Be sure to sign up today.